just explaining it once clearly. Systems are everything, and that's how you build a successful business. I definitely got stuck for an entire week as a business owner. This can simplify your work. See, most people don't understand your product, and that's one of the main reasons you're not getting the results you expect. It's not always what you offer. It's not always your traffic. It's how you explain what you do. Because if someone doesn't understand your product quickly, they are likely to leave. And if I'm being honest, most product demos and walkthroughs are just not clear enough. I used to do the exact same thing before, so I kind of know what I'm talking about here. Quick disclaimer before we go any further. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered business or financial advice. I'm simply sharing what's been working for me based on my experience. A few weeks ago, I started looking at how I explain things in my business, whether that's product walkthroughs, client demos, internal processes, and I realized something. I was overcomplicating it, recording multiple takes, trying to get everything perfect, and even then it wasn't as clear as it could be. That's when I came across Truepeer, so I decided to team up with them for this video to see if there's a simpler way to explain products more clearly. Now with that said, let me show you what most people do from my experience. You open a screen recorder, start explaining your product, you make a mistake, you restart, you finally get something decent. Now what? You either send a raw recording which might not look very polished a lot of the times, and I'm saying this because I was in that position. I would send recordings that was definitely not polished, or you spend time editing, re-recording, writing documentations, and that process can take longer than expected, which I've also done. I remember there was a time when I went through product recording, re-editing, and this was for a 10-minute demo, and that took me a week. So I definitely got stuck for an entire week as a business owner to be spending on that. That's where I think most people go stuck. Explaining is easy, making it clear and structured, and that's what takes time. So based on that experience, the shift for me was simple. Instead of trying to create the perfect recording, I'll focus on just explaining it once clearly. No pressure to get everything right the first time around. Just explain it as you normally would and let the system handle the rest. Like I've been saying for the last few weeks or last several months, systems are everything, and that's how you build a successful business. With that said, let me walk you through how I use Truepeer to demonstrate that entire process and smoothen my entire pipeline. So the first step is simple. Record normally, as you would. No pressure, just record my screen like I usually would, of course. No camera, no complex setup. I walk through the following: the product, the feature, the process, the things that I want people to actually learn. The second step is simple. We upload this recording to Truepeer, and then it processes everything automatically. Step 3 is where we get a bit more intense. This is the transformation bit, which is very interesting as well. The recording is then turned into a more polished, structured video, clear, readable documentation from the same input. Then the next step is multiple outputs. From one recording, I now have a walkthrough video supporting documentations which I can use for clients, team members, training, you name it. And it's all done with a system to simplify the entire process for me as a business owner. So here's the difference. Before, multiple recordings, like I mentioned a few moments ago, it took me a week to get a 10-minute video out, essentially. Several manual edits, of course, separate documentation, more time spent than I could possibly count. Now, record once, process it, use the outputs. The main benefit here is efficiency and also consistency and a ton of time saved, which is what I like as a business owner. This matters because clarity affects how people respond. If your product is hard to understand, people hesitate. You have to remember this. If it's clear and structured, it's easier for people to follow, and that can improve how people engage with what you're showing them. Now let's just be clear. This isn't a replacement for a strong product, good positioning, clear messaging, as I always say. It's simply a tool that helps you communicate more efficiently and more consistently because you're systemizing the entire pipeline. This is of course useful for you if you run a SaaS product business, onboarding clients, send demos. In fact, I'll go a step further. If you run any form of business, I think this tool is perfect for you. This helps create internal documentation on top of that, which I demonstrated earlier. So if you record your screen regularly, this can simplify your workflow, which is evident based on what I've demonstrated throughout this video. If you want to try this for yourself, test it with something you already do. Record a walkthrough, perhaps upload it and see how it fits into your process. I'll leave a top link in the description. I will take you straight away to Truepeer's page so you can check them out for yourself. So if you found this helpful and useful as always, you know exactly what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you on the next one, where we're of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship, like we always do. Take care now. Bye-bye.